Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Dr. Kasi Academy. Our today video is about fillet and AutoCAD. So in this video we'll talk about what is fillet command and how it is used, and we will try to discuss in very detail. So be with us till the end. So first of all, we can activate fillet command by two ways. Generally, the first way you can activate it from the interface here. You have to just click on it, and the second way for activating the fillet command is you have to type F in the command line. So you can see here, this is shown F fillet. So with the help of these two ways, you can activate the fillet command. So I want to draw a rectangle. So you can see here, this is our rectangle. And the main use for fillet command is generally we use it for the round between two lines. If we have two lines and we want to have a round between these two lines or more lines, so we use fillet command. So we have to activate the fillet command. Now here from the interface, I have to activate it. You can see here and click on it. Now here you can see here command line select first object. So now you have to type or you can do or you can activate from here as well. So I want to activate manually here. So you have to click on radius, and now I want my radius, this rectangle of having it has a radius of 3 of the row. So 3 unit it's reading. Now you have to press enter, and you can see here it is written select first object. So you have to click on your first line, and now you can see here select second object. So our section object is this one. So you can see here around is created, but the sharp corner is not trimmed. So we will talk later about this, that how we can uh, trim this, and only we will have only remain this portion, this round portion, and we will have to remove this. So, and this is the first method. You can activate it from the interface. Now the second method is you have to activate this from the shortcut key, AutoCAD shortcut key F. So you have to type F, and then you have to press enter. So now you can see here. Here are the undo, fully line, radius, trim, and multiple. We will talk about these all as well. So now I have to, in the previous step, I activate the radius manually by clicking just on radius. Now you can activate this radius by you have to type R and press enter. You can see here specify fillet radius. So I want my fillet radius should be, you can give any value. Previously I gave a value of 3 unit. So now I give a value of 4 unit. You can see here, and press enter. Now you can see here I have to fillet this portion. So click on first object, and now you have to click on second object. So with this method, you can make a round of your corner. So now that I want to show its other. Uh, so you can see here. What this option is use undo. If I want to go back to my previous step, then I will use undo. You can see here. Now, fully line when I have the idea. So now I have to uh, click on it, and yeah, I have to give a radius of 2 units. You can see here. So what now see its result. So when you click on fully line, so the entire object corner will be automatically rounded. So now let's try another object. Sorry, I have to create other polygon, other rectangle. Sorry. So you can see here, this is our other rectangle, and I want to round its all corners. So what should I do? You have to type F, and now you have to type R. You can activate radius as well. And let I want this polygon have a radius of 3 unit. You can see here. Sorry, we have polygon of radius uh, 3 unit. You can see here, and specify fillet radius. So let our radius is 3 unit. Now you have to click on it, and you can see here, select first object. So if you click on polygon, so your entire object will be selected. Your entire object corner will be rounded automatically. You can see here. So you may noted that when I click on it, so this portion is remaining. So why it does happen? This we will resolve this. You can see here. So for this, for resolving this problem, you have to click on trim. You can see here, and you have to activate the trim. You can see here. So if I activate the trim, so then the remaining portion will be trimmed automatically. So now I have to click on polygon, and you can see here. So if I click on it, so uh, you can see here there is no edges like this one. So with the help of trim, you can remove these edges. Let's try another rectangle. So this is our other rectangle. You can see here, and you have to uh, click on. So if you have to give a video of radius, so previously we I gave a video of 3, so it will automatically detect it, and you can change as well. So let I want to give a value of 4. You can change according to your choices, and now you have to uh, click on polygon. So there will be no. You can see there is no sharp edge like this one. So this is about now fillet command. Now I have to explore this multiple. You can see here this multiple. So for multiple, you have to click on multiple, and you can see here. Sorry, I have to create another rectangle in order to explain it more easily and clearly. So I have to click on F, fillet, and now I can see I have to click on multiple. So for multiple, if I want to that this structure of this rectangle should I have to round its all corner step by step. So with this, I can do this. So you can see here, this is the first, I select the first line and now I have to select the second line. You can see here and here you can see select the first object. So my fillet command is not deactivated. It is, I with the help of this, with the help of multiple, I can work continuously without break. You can see here. So it is does not deactivated. So you can see here. So this is the help of multiple. I have to show you the use of fillet command and other area as well. Uh, so what if I have this rectangle and you can see here, you can see here, and if I have to draw a line here and here as well, you can see it, and I have to trim this tr double enter. You can see here, and I have to trim these line. You can see here. You can see here, and let I have to leave this one and this one as well. So ferret command work to continue this, and I have to give a radius of 0. So you have to give a radius of 0 to make this back rectangle to bring its original position of rectangle. So you can see here, select first object. This is our first object, and as you can see here, select second object. So this is our second object. So this is with the help of ferret command, I can do this type of work as well. So you can see here. So now I have to activate this is one as well. So what should I do? I have to click on first object and then second object. So it will be automatically joined. So you can see here, it's back a rectangle. So with the help of trim command, we can do this as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section.